Hi, everybody. Thanks a lot for being with us today. I'm really happy to introduce with you BC Diploma Solution, a concrete blockchain use case dedicated to a large public. I'm Alexis Berolati, one of the three co-founders of the project. I'm also Chief Operation Officer in the company. And just to give you a few information regarding the origin of the project. We know pretty well the higher education market, and we identified in 2017 the lack of a satisfying solution allowing institutions to produce verifiable credentials. They need this more and more because you may know about the fake degrees market. We face more and more false information on LinkedIn profiles, on CVs, and it's really annoying both for employers who need to increase their background checking. It's time consuming and cost consuming, of course. Also for graduates, because for graduates it's complicated to send an authenticated degree when you just have the paper version of the degree. And also for schools who need to answer more and more requests from the recruiters who want to check authenticity of the degree of the candidate. So we had the idea to build BC Diploma to answer these problematics. 3 years after, we are pretty satisfied with the traction of the solution because BC Diploma has been yet adopted by more than 90 institutions over 4 continents in 15 countries. So what is BC Diploma? BC Diploma application is a B2B application dedicated to higher education institution, and this application has 2 main features. The first feature allows institutions to produce certified credentials templates, and the second main feature will be to use these certified credential templates to produce certified credentials. So it's important to understand that BC Diploma is not a portfolio in which you will store your credentials. So BC Diploma is not an application in which students and graduates will access and connect. So a web application using blockchain cornerstones to offer a certification solution, easy to use. That's really important. We always tried to build an easy to use solution, allowing institution to produce very secure and very sustainable certificates. For each BC Diploma certificate produced, we are going to generate a link allowing to access in a single click on this link to the certified credential. So this is the structure of each BC Diploma certificate. As you can see, we always have 2 main layers. So the first one, the certificate, is the layer in which the institution will reproduce and will produce the certificate template as needed. In terms of content, the institution will be free to define, of course, all the content of the attestation to be certified, in which they will define all the parameters of the students, so at least the first name and the last name. And after, you are free to introduce all the parameters you want, the mention, the grades, the specialization, etc., etc. And of course, you will be free also to configure the design of your attestation. Because we are consulting this attestation on a web page, we have no limitation in terms of design. So you can use, of course, your logos, your fonts, your colors. You can put animation in the background. You can do whatever you want. So this is the first layer of the certificate, and we always have the second important layer, the proofs layer, that contains all the evidence of authenticity of the certificate. So if we have a focus on the proofs layer, just to let you know in few words how the BC Diploma works. We take the certificate data, we encrypt this data, and we put this encrypted data on the blockchain. So we have a pretty unique approach using the blockchain technology, because we are not just going to put the hash of a data or a document on the blockchain. We are going to encrypt all this data and to put this data on chain. So thanks to the blockchain cornerstones, data immutability will guarantee a tamper-proof information. We won't be able to falsify or to modify the certificate information. And the second important point is the decentralization of the blockchain, of course, that will guarantee, of course, a very high accessibility to the data and a very long sustainability of this data. We'll talk about the blockchain we use later in the presentation. And thanks to the blockchain technology and thanks to BC Diploma proofs layer, someone who will access the blockchain certificate will be able to check by himself, step by step, the identity of the issuer, the institution who produced the blockchain certificate, and we also be able to check the data that has been certified in this certificate directly on chain. So let's have a look at an example of a BC Diploma certificate. So this is an EM Lyon blockchain certificate that has been produced a few months ago. So this is Chrome internet browser. This is the link of this blockchain certificate. Okay, so once again, the final result of a BC Diploma certificate is just a link. So it's really important because thanks to this self-supported certificate, users don't need to administrate a wallet. So it's really convenient in terms of user experience. We really try to bring the best user experience as possible. So on the school side, it's really easy to produce blockchain certificate. And for the graduate, there is nothing more easy than sharing a link on his LinkedIn profile, on his CV, allowing once again to access the blockchain certificate in a single click. This certificate, as you can see, has a specific content, a specific design, and it's important to notice here the menu bar of BC Diploma certificates. So if I click here, you will see that we can display the same certificate either in English or in French language. So BC Diploma provides this multilingual feature. It's really interesting because you can configure each of your certificate in as many languages as required. So this feature is really interesting for the school, for the graduate mobility to prove authenticity of his certificate in different languages. So really easy to display the same certificate in various languages. You can export your certificate as a PDF file. Okay, it's really easy to produce the PDF version of your certificate in case you want to print it, to send it in your application form. And here in the bottom right corner of my screen, I have the verification icon. If I click on it, I will be able to access various information to check authenticity of my certificate. So I have a first category of information regarding the issuer of the certificate. In this case, EM Lyon Executive Education. So you can find the public blockchain address of EM Lyon Executive Education, and you can check some information regarding this institution directly on the blockchain. So if I click on this button, I will quit my BC Diploma certificate and I will go in a third party's website, my crypto Ethereum wallet website. It's a website allowing to check information directly on the blockchain. And here you can search for information regarding EM Lyon Executive Education that has been stored in our smart contract storage. So this is absolutely tamper-proof information, so you can access various information regarding this issuer. If I go back to my certificate, I can also find information regarding EM Lyon Executive Education on BC Diploma website. So if I click on this button, I will open, I will go in BC Diploma institutional website, and here you have the list of each BC Diploma institution using the platform. And the first one, as you can see, is EM Lyon Executive Education with various information also to check more information to be sure about BC Diploma, about EMU Executive Education information. So you can check information regarding the issuer. We have a second category of information, the same information for what we call the validator. You have to know that in BC Diploma framework, we have this high-level role called the validator. We can delegate this validation role to any institution, and the validator role will be to check the identity of the issuer, just to be sure that we won't have a fake institution using BC Diploma to produce fake certificates. So in this case, our company verified EMU Executive Education Information and Identity, but we could imagine tomorrow, for instance, the Australian Education Ministry, who would be the validator of each Australian university who wants to use BC Diploma solution. So that was another part of the evidence of the certificate. And the last part is all the data that has been put directly on the blockchain. But of course, this data has been encrypted. So we encrypt all the data just to be compliant with the private data regulations. Of course, you have to know that BC Diploma is a GDPR compliant solution. So we encrypt this data. This is just the data of the certificate, and we put this encrypted data on the blockchain. And you can find all the detail of the blockchain transaction by clicking on this button, and you will access another website allowing to check identity and check information regarding the blockchain transaction. So you can see here that we are using by default Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum public blockchain. So at the beginning of the project, we decided to use a public blockchain just for transparency purpose, of course. But you have to know that BC Diploma is a cross-chain solution, and we have yet live integration with private or consortium blockchains. Okay, so let's go back to my presentation now. So a few words about the backend application. Of course, BC Diploma users, institutions will have access to our web application. So we have an easy to use back office application in which each institution will administrate as many document templates as required. And in these templates, they will use their templates to produce certificates. So once again, they will import all the data of the students to produce blockchain certificates. So you can import the data either via Excel file import, or of course you can interface BC Diploma thanks to our API to the institution information system, so that you can automatize all the process to import the data of the graduates in BC Diploma application. BC Diploma will generate the blockchain attestations, and via API you can get back the links of the certificates, or you can also send the links of the students automatically via email. You will access in the back office application full certification reports with various information, and once again you can send the links to the graduates. And because this is a web application, the implementation process is really fast. When we sign an agreement with a new institution, this institution can have a live solution within 7 to 10 working days, and they can start to issue blockchain certificates. And yeah, maybe to conclude on the back office, it's really easy to use. There is no crypto topic. There is nothing technical to implement. We once again tried to build the most easy solution to be used for the users. Few other topics regarding the application. So I talk yet briefly about the technical approach. So once again, we have this unique technical approach. We encrypt the data and we put this encrypted data on chain. Of course, this encrypted data is anonymous data on a legal aspect. So this is once again really important. And with this architecture, with this technical approach, It brings a lot of advantages in terms of stack of the application, because all your data is stored on chain, so you don't have to continue to administrate centralized servers to store your data. So it brings also, of course, a lot more security. And also it has a cost impact, of course, because you don't need to maintain your servers over the time. Last word about this topic, we patented our encryption algorithm based mainly on AES 256 GCM encryption algorithm. Few words about the sustainability. Super important for our customers to be independent beyond with us. So you have to know that BC Diploma is based on an open source framework, and thanks to this open source framework, we guarantee a total independence beyond us as a services provider. It means that if we change activity within 5 years, if we close the company, users can deploy the open source framework in their information system to guarantee access to all the certificates they issued in the past. So this is also a key topic to get a mass adoption of the solution. Few words about the interoperability. So BC Diploma manage only raw data. So it's really convenient when we put raw data on chain because you can get your data in any format. So by default, a web page to display the web certificate, but also XML file, JSON file, PDF file. You can do whatever you want with BC Diploma data. And of course, we try to be compliant with all the open standards in our industry. So Open Badges 2.0, the verifiable credentials data model set up by the W3C. So it's really important to us to offer a really compatible solution with other solutions such as Open Badges Portfolio, for instance, and other applications such as Alumni Platform, for instance. We also are compatible with DID solutions. We are just waiting some standards to emerge to offer a decentralized identity solution native to BC Diploma. And to conclude regarding interoperability, I would also repeat that BC Diploma by default will write encrypted data on Ethereum blockchain, but we start working with other blockchains. So just to make things easy, in BC Diploma application, the blockchain we use is just a parameter. So we don't have to recode the whole application to use another blockchain. And the customizable templates, I talk about that yet, but it's really convenient for our customers to be able to reproduce a paper degree document and to have no limitation in terms of configuration, in terms of content of their document templates. I will conclude my talk with few words about the crypto side of BC Diploma. For those who are interested in this information, you have to know that we have a dedicated website for our token called evidence.io. So you have to know that BC Diploma has been the first successful ICO in France early 2018. So thanks to this fundraising, we decided to quit our respective jobs and to focus 100% full-time for this project. So during the ICO, we created about 40 million BC Diploma tokens, BCDT tokens. We produced an ERC20 utility token that will be used in our smart contract. So each time an institution wants to issue blockchain certificates, they will buy BC Diploma tokens in fiat currencies. That's also super important. All the business model for our customers is just in US dollar, euro, but fiat currencies. And all this crypto ecosystem is hidden for the customers. But when the school wants to issue a new degree, they have to pay 1 credit. And this credit, they will pay, the public price is $2.5 US, but in reality, they will buy BC Diplomat tokens. And each time they issue one certificate, they send our tokens in the smart contract to produce the attestation. And just for your information, we set up a burn rate process. So each time an institution issue a new certificate, a certain percentage of our tokens will be burnt, so that we will have less and less tokens into circulation with more and more demand, and the price of our token will rise and will increase, of course. So once again, please consult evidence.io website. You will find tons of information regarding the token, in particular all the exchanges in which you can trade BC Diplomat token. So thanks a lot for your attention. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I hope you'll have plenty of questions during the Q&A session. Thanks a lot, everybody.